Number 238. What is the measure of the interior angles of a regular pentagon? Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. So the choices are 60, 90, 98, and 105 degrees, and none of the above. Okay, so let's draw the regular pentagon. So when we say regular pentagon, that means all the sides are equal. Okay, so let's draw a regular pentagon. All the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. So if all the sides are equal, so that means all the interior angles are also equal. Okay? So we will use the formula for the sum of the interior angles of a polygon. So we have S is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees, where n is the number of sides. So pentagon, the value of n of pentagon is 5. It has 5 sides. Okay? So let us solve first the sum of the interior angles. So the sum of interior angles is n minus 2. So we have n is 5. So n will be 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees. So therefore, we have 5 minus 2 is 3 times 180 degrees. So therefore, the sum of the interior angles, so let's multiply this manually. 3 times 0, we have 0. 3 times 8, we have 24. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2, so we have 5. So therefore, the sum of the interior angles is 540 degrees. Now, to find the measure of each interior angle, all we have to do is divide this, divide the 540 degrees, divide by 5. Okay? Because this is a regular pentagon, so all the angles are congruent. So just divide 540 by 5. Okay, so let's do this manually. 540 divided by 5. So 5 divided by 5, we have 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Subtract, we have 0. Bring down 4. 4 divided by 5, that is 0. 0 times 5, we have 0. Subtract, we have 4. Bring down 0. 40 divided by 5, that is 8. 8 times 5 is 40, and there is no remainder. Therefore, the measure of each angle is 108 degrees. So the answer is none of the above. That is letter E. Follow me for more content like this. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa, i-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, Math and Logic lang, pero but we'll share reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subjects. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito na mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto, 100 plus items yon yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.